Morning students, I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. I am really very happy to be with you once again. So, we are going on with the lessons, poem and supplementary. So, now we are in the 5th unit, poem Everest is not the only peak by Kulottungan. So, this poet talks about that each and everybody has got a position to live in this world. So, everybody can live. It doesn't matter that only Everest is the peak for people to go and to reach and they can live. So, here he talks about this. I want to tell you about the poet. So, we used to go through the poet. So, if you got your book, turn to page number 158. 158 about the author. So, Professor V.C. Kulandaisamy. So, he lived from 1929 to 2016, known as Kulottungan. So, his original name was Kulandaisamy. So, now he is writing poem by the name of Kulottungan. He is an eminent technologist, a man of letters and an educator known for his pioneer contribution in hydrology, literature and education. So, he is a well versed man in all these three types of things. He had authored 6 volumes of poems and 7 of prose essays, which earned him the Thiruvalluvar Award from the government of Tamil Nadu in 1999. He won the Satya Academy Award in 1988 for his book Vazhum Valamum. His works deals with themes that reflects the current of human process. So, human nature is very important. So, living a life, only human lives a life which is be talked or which is be spoken by the generation. So, human progress and all preserve human effort. So, whatever effort is being made by a human has got a reward for it. So, he is a poet. So, let us go into the poem now on page number 157. So, on 156 there are many photos given. So, you have to find out and write the names. And now we are in the poem on page number 157. So, Everest is not the only peak. It is known the greatness of human virtues. So, there is a virtue for that. So, there are some customs and things which we have to go through that. So, this virtue means good qualities. A good quality person wherever he is and a truthful person wherever he works he will be uplifted. So, he need not worry about the thing. So, you have to work with the good qualities, that is truthfulness, honesty. Then you have to be very truthful to each and every one who is where you are working. So, we are going to see that. So, we are proud and feel so tall. So, now the poet seems as if he is on the top of the hill. So, on top of the Everest mountain. So, everything, all the worldly things are under his foot. So, everything is under now. So, he is standing in the highest peak. So, I am really proud. So, wherever I stand, I will be proud of and feel so tall. Our virtues, so I told you the good qualities. Thoughts, though be few and small. So, each and every human being will not be having all the virtues. Only 1 or 2, but you have to develop in that. Our nature is that whatever we try. So, you should have a nature of trying a work, a job, whatever it is been given by God, you have to be truthful and honest, and we do with devotion. Devotion means a full-mindedness. With the help of God's grace, we have to do it. Deep and true. So, these 3 things are very important. Devotion, so you have to be in the work deep and true. Defeat we repel, courage of fruit. So, don't regret for your defeat. It will come, but you are going to overcome it very soon. So courage or food. So whenever you think that you are being defeated in your job or work or in your life, you think that courage of our fort. So you have to bring as a fort. Fort is a place where the kings and other people live. They are very, very safe. So cringing from others we haven't done. So people will be criticizing us. So that you should not. To seek a gain, we adore none. So whatever you are seeking, you have to seek with wholeheartedness. We are proud and feel so tall. So again he is repeating this word. So we are really proud to say that we are in the taller position. So we feel that. So always our feeling should be like that. We are in a very good position, we can work, we can earn, and one day we will be in a very good position. We deem in our duty and mission in life. So life is like a machine. So it has to move. It should not stop. Unless the thing, if it's a machine, it should be going on moving. Unless when it moves, what happens? The production will be more. So in the life also is like that. We have to move ourselves. Don't stagnate, and don't be depressed or don't stay in a place and make yourself that you have not attained. So to bliss and praise the deserving ones. So there are people, those who are there. So you have to bless them. Bless them means to help them. The deserving people you should help, not earning for yourself. You have to help the deserving ones. Never shall we fail in what we commit. So the commitment of life is very, very important. You have to commit yourself to your family life or to your parents, so to your work. Everything, commitment is very, very important. So commit yourself first. This is the work which I am going to do. So be truthful. So commit yourself. Shall nourish the ones that nourish the world. So when you are helpful to others, you will be nourished, you will be becoming rich and richer and richer to help the world. So worldly people are there with us. So not only with the people but also with all the things. Worldly things you will be blessed up and you will be nourished with a very good position. We are proud of the positive we hold. So our thoughts should be always in a positive. Everything is for good. No evil will come for us. Whatever we do in our life, our attitude should be very, very positive. So whatever it comes, you have to have the courage to face it. So positive nature is very important. So humble we are. So whenever, although we may be in a very high position, you should have the habit of humbling yourself. So you should respect. So you don't think that you are the great boss of yourself and others. So you should make yourself that you have to humble yourself. So humbleness, God says that, Bible used to say. So you have to humble. The humbleness, the thalma da irukkiradhile uyarvu. So you have to humble yourself and don't get your things to put it in your mind. Our pride springs from the way we live. So if you humble yourself, what happened? Our pride. So the thing which we have in ourselves, way we live. Ours is the path of dignity and honor. So these two things are very important. You should have the dignity and self-respect. First you have to believe yourself that you can do and you can earn, you can work, and you have got all ability to do that. And all the next thing is honor. People should respect and you should also respect the people. And life that knows no kneeling and bending, we are proud and feel so tall. So the life is not, no, you should not go and kneel or bend for people for your earning. So what happened is you have to put your head high up, and then the king is like that. King doesn't bend or he doesn't put himself. So he is an honorable person. So like king, God is our honorable person. He will put everything in his hands. And if you rely in him, surely God will help us and we will be put up in a higher position. So don't bend for monetary things. So for worldly things, don't go and bend or kneel and leave your self-respect or your honor. So next paragraph. Everest is not the only peak. So okay, think in your mind. Everest, with Everest there are more higher than Everest. Everest is the only peak which has been got by our people. They have been climbed to that much. But there are peaks more than Everest. So every hillock, so don't think that some people, we would not be having an opportunity to go and climb the Everest, but there are small hillocks. Hillocks means a small mountain which where people can, if you go to the St. Thomas Mount, you will see a small hillock where there is a church there on the top of the hill. People, you can easily climb it. So when you go and climb that, what happened? You are also now, when you climb the hillock also, you are under your feet, there are people still there. So what happened? Don't think of the size, big or small, where the position is. So whatever your position, you have to show your ability and you have to work. As a submit. Submit means, already I told you, the peak. To boast. The height you reach is not we care. So it is not the height we go and reach. So we don't care about that, because we are going to go above that. First you will be going and joining in an office. So after what happened? You will be getting the promotion and you will be going in the higher, very, very higher position where you are going to help. When you go to the higher position, that means that you are going to help the people, those who are under you. So this is the thing. Don't think. The height you reach is not the care. So he who does not stoop. So the people, those who does not stoop means bend yourself. Each and for everything we bend off. So what happened? You should not be like that. Is a king we adore. So the king does not stoop or he doesn't bend. He is a person to be adored. The same way, if we are in a very high position, good position, what happens is we will be adored. We will be respected by our people, those who are around us. So you will be like a king, where people will be coming and they will be adoring you and they will be respecting you and they will be asking you for some help. So these things will be happening. So the king will be in a palace, but the people, those who are living around, they have to depend upon the king, but the king will not go on stoop. He will not bend himself, or he will not ask for anything from the people. He will give to the people. We bow before competence and merit. So nowadays the word merit is being used now. So you get an opportunity with the help of this merit. When you are been fully qualified, been fully educated, what happened? You will be merit. And merit means the respect or the highest of your learning. So what happened here? He talks about that. So competing with others. So it's a competitive world now. And also a merit goes on the merit. The one that are true and stand on their own. So the truthful people, they will stand on their own legs. They won't depend upon others. So here, are really the ladder for the man to rise. So truth, if you are truthful, what happened? That is the real ladder. Yeah, so it's a ladder where you have to go higher and higher. It doesn't, you have to rely on the ladder, but you have to climb. The ladder will be there, but you have to climb yourself with your competitive and your merit position. So when you come up to that position, what happened? You are a really race of a man. So man is a God created person who, when he created this world, he asked the man to rule everything. God created this world for the man to rule. So the same way, if you are like a man in a place, you will be ruling the whole situation. So honor is a property. So what is your property? Is honor. So respect which you get from the people and which you are being respected. So this is the only property, not the house or the thing or which you earn. You should honor. Common to all. It is common to each and every person. doesn't only for the higher position or the rich people. It's common. Honoring is, so honor your father and mother. It's a commandment which is given by God in the Bible, which says that if you want to live long, in this world, only one thing you have to do is honor your father and your mother. Then you will be honored. When you respect your parents, you will also be respected in the society. So honor is the property, is dignity and the pride. No one to be poor. If you have got a dignity means self-respect. Don't leaving yourself that we don't have anything. So don't think that I am poor. How can I be lifted up to the higher position? So poorness is only for a certain time. After that, what happened? It will pass away, and you will be the richer person, where you will be able to have an opportunity to help the poor. So we are proud and feel so tall. So we are really, wherever you are and whatever the position you are been attaining, the only thing is you have to think that you feel that I am the tallest person, I am in the higher position. So here the poet talks about the people, those who are in the higher position, they have come only from the smaller, the least, only they have come. They have not come straightly to the higher position. If you learn the biography of all the people, those who attain the height, they will be born in a small family, so middle class family. But what happened? Due to the studies and their opportunity, what they do, they go and shine. The whole world will be looking at them and they will be talking about him. So keep this in mind, my dear students. So don't think that Everest is only the peak. So after finishing our studies, everybody will be getting a job and everybody will be earning. But one thing is, you have to honor, help, and you should be a self-respectful person. If you do this, really you will be a person who is on the top of the hill. So what happen is, there are two things which talks there. The house which is being built on the top of the hill, whatever may be the storm or flood, it will be very safe. So you will be the safe place. So keep this in mind. So whatever you do it truthfully, honesty, and try to be honest in each and everything, and work hard. Hard works always reward us. So this point talks about that. Whatever position we are, don't think about the thing which you are now. One day God will lift us to a very high position, where we will be living in the hill of, like a mountain, like in the Everest. So we will be in the peak one day. So my dear students, keep this in mind. Thank you for being with me, and go through the poem and summary and other thing, and the figure of speech is there. So go through the figure of speech and other thing, and alliteration you try to mark. The alliteration means the words which is being repeated. See, we do with the devotion deep, and so you see, do devotion deep. These are alliteration where you have to underline, and the figure of speech is there, metaphor is there. He does not stoop. So this talks about the king. So he is comparing with the comparison and merit. It goes on like this. And thank you very much. God bless you and keep you safe. Learn everything and get ready. So God bless you. Thank you, students.